see, there's nobody here. I don't think anyone knows that we're in this facility right now. We're about to take over the tennis court. So she knows how to play. I have no idea how to play. Alright, mission update. We just threw 2 balls outside of the court. Man, this tennis business is pretty hard, huh? Woo! I feel like we're playing in a mountain or something. Whoa. Okay, we just went from tennis playing to mountain hiking. Woo! That was crazy.
No time for any sleep when you're laughing along with me. Got you by my side and we're burning on through the night. You and I with one desire, playing with wildfire. We're burning on through the night. You and I with one desire, playing with wildfire.
Have a small break. And the building's got a mic as well, see?
Oh, that's
Yeah.
cool. Hi.
So we're in the marina right now. We shouldn't be here, so we're just taking a small break. Karen, how do you feel?
I'm good.
Yeah? She's been a good passenger. She wasn't complaining too much, except this one time we fell down.
No, I mean, look, I have a life jacket, so